Control your keyboard brightness, you can easily do it from here. Keyboard brightness right there, you can max it out or turn it off, but for me I like to keep it this way. But if you want to, if you don't have this option on your Mac, you can easily do this. You can go into settings, and then you can, from here you can scroll down until you see keyboard, and then you can turn down your keyboard brightness, and you can also adjust it. And for this thing right here, you have to go to here, you have to go to control center, and then scroll down until you see keyboard brightness. Then you have to click it, show in menu bar. This thing here is called menu bar. So if I turn this off, then the keyboard icon will be gone, and if I turn this on, the keyboard icon will be back. So this is how you're able to have this icon on your menu bar just from the setting called control center.